Good afternoon, sir. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I'd like to buy a coffee, please.
No problem. That'll be $3.
Hey, $3. If my dollars were free, they wouldn't be in my pocket.
Oh, sorry, sir. That'll be $3. I am so sorry, sir, but we don't accept cash anymore as payment. Do you have an alternative way that you can pay for this coffee? Perhaps a bank card?
Now look here, son. I've been using cash ever since you were born. Okay? And there ain't no reason I'm gonna use a bank card today just because you're telling me to do so, because I pay with cash.
Well, you see, sir, it's not that we don't want your money, but due to the regulations of COVID-19, we demand that you do not pay with cash, that you use your bank card.
You demand. Demand is like a dictator. To demand is to force. To force is not freedom. COVID-19. COVID-19. What is this COVID-19? Is this COVID-19 something I missed in the war? Is this some kind of code that was trying to tell me that I didn't have freedom all along? Wait a second here. I fought in the war a long time ago, and we won. And we got our freedom. But today, I can't pay in cash. And if I can't pay in cash, if I don't have the freedom to pay with my money, if I don't have my freedom to pay with cash, who won the war? What is the world coming to, man? What was I fighting for? What were all those long days and nights struggling to survive, day after day, sweating, bleeding, hungry, tired? All for this? To find out this one day I can't have the freedom to pay with cash? If I don't have the freedom to pay with cash, I have no freedom at all! No! I don't have freedom because I can't pay with cash!
Who would have thought COVID-19 could do that?